Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a visual search on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First, here choose any pin, and here you will find this icon, click on it, and that's it. That's how to do a visual search on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.